What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showcasing you how to pin the application on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So the same setup will be applied to all the other Samsung Galaxy S26 series phones and all the other Samsung phones. So pinning an application basically allow you to lock that application, and if someone tries to navigate away from that app, it will be impossible until you unlock that particular application or unpin that particular application. So to pin the apps, all you have to do is to go into your settings, scroll down towards security and privacy, and then scroll down and choose more security settings. And then scroll down and find the option allow apps to be pinned. Tap on that and ensure that you have enabled that particular option. Now once you have enabled it, you should see a brief setup on how to pin application if you are using gestures or if you are using the buttons. Now to pin the application, simply launch any app that would you like to pin. For example, I'm going to be launching the YouTube app. All you have to do is to go out into the home screen and then open up the recent application menu. And then from here, all you have to do is tap on that app icon, and then from the option that appears, you should see the option pin this app. So select it and you should see this notification, the app has been pinned. Now if it's going to be pinned, now no one can navigate away from that app. It will be impossible until you unlock that particular application. Now in order to unpin or unlocking the app, all you have to do is, if you're using the gesture, you can simply swipe up and hold to the center, and that should unpin the app. Now if you are using the buttons, you need to press and hold both the recent and the back button together for a few seconds, and it will unpin the application. So guys, that's it, basically how you can pin or unpin any application on your Galaxy S26 Ultra or any other Samsung phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.